Is your 2020-2021 Toyota 4Runner key fob not working? A dead battery is the likely culprit and is easy to fix. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, gently pry open the fob case using the tool in the designated notch. Be careful to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery the same way. Snap the case back together and test the fob. If it doesn't work, proceed to the next section for troubleshooting. Don't rush, be patient, and avoid metal tools to prevent damage. If your remote still isn't working, check for these common issues. First, ensure the battery is correctly installed with the positive side up. If the case is cracked or the antenna coil looks bent, professional repair may be needed. Static electricity can also damage the fob's electronics. Touch a grounded metal object before starting. Avoid forcing the case open, as this often leads to damage. As of 2025, most 4Runner owners successfully replace the battery themselves, but if you're uncomfortable, a dealership can do it for $20 to $50. Remember, newer Toyota models are shifting to digital keys, but for your 2020-2021 4Runner, a battery replacement is usually all you need.